Network Marketing for Dummies. Super excited I found this book. This teaches you the basics on network marketing, and it's co-authored by Zig Ziglar and John Hayes. Now, Zig Ziglar, if you don't know, is a champion network marketer. He's huge on the industry and has a ton of books and audio tapes, and he's been doing it since the early 1980s or something like that. I highly suggest picking this book up. It gives you the basics of network marketing, what to avoid, what to do, the principles. It even has, right in the beginning, the 10 commandments of network marketing that you should follow pretty closely. It's pretty spot on. I've been doing network marketing for about 5 years now, and this is one of the best books I've found. There's a lot of books that I have already, which I'll also be doing book reviews on. This one is jammed packed full of over 300 pages of information. I would focus right when you get this book on the principles, inviting, presenting, enrolling, and training your new people. And another good book that I'll be doing a review of is Your First Year in Network Marketing. If you get these 2 books, they will get you off to an awesome start. Stay tuned for more book reviews on network marketing.